guys, so I want to talk about some stuff. Read the about section of my channel if you're gonna hate, and also to all my this video is to all my haters, or to all the haters in the world. Basically, I have haters. Everyone with like 50 or more, or like 30 or more subscribers has haters. Yeah, and I understand that. I understand that you're jealous. You want what we have, but you need to be thankful of what you have and stop putting your anger on other people. Because, yeah, I don't care if there's hate on this, because I seriously am not afraid of you wimpy haters. Yeah, you're probably like, I'm not afraid of you. You're like, but yeah. But I'm not 8, I'm older. So, yeah. But I'm really strong for my age. And you haters are like 15-year-old boys that like hate on me. Just because, you know, I can actually believe that, because when I was little, I was like 3, and I was like looking for I wanted to make new friends. I was at a park, and I saw these like boys, but they're like 11. They weren't necessarily, but like people that are older than me, they just think they have freedom to hate on me, and then they're like picking on me, and I went to my parents. I'm like, Mom, those boys. No, wait, I didn't do that, but like I was like, my mom was like, what are you doing? And I was like, finding friends. And but it didn't work out. I found some pretty nasty people that don't like me. But like, yeah. So they're probably jealous, and if you're gonna hate, then maybe go somewhere else. And I have a suggestion. You're probably not gonna listen to me, and there's probably gonna be hate and dislikes on this video. But who cares, because those people are just jealous. And yeah. So yeah. I can be crazy at sometimes. Like right now I'm being crazy. But yeah, and don't if you're gonna keep hating, because you know I'm only a child, and I'm not even like 11, and so if you're just gonna keep hating on me, it's really hurtful. So if you don't know, you probably don't know, because you're the haters and you just do that, and people say I'm too young. It just gets under my skin if you don't know, and it just gets on my skin, and I tell my mom, and I'm like, Mom, this person's saying I'm too young, and then they like do it. But if they're like hating and saying I'm too young at the same time, then I definitely tell my mom, and then she might reply to you if you're gonna hate. So read the I have a suggestion for you. If you think a video is boring, don't comment that this video is boring. Okay, this is probably the boringest video I've ever seen. And seriously, you didn't have to show us how to do all this stuff. But, yeah. So I'm gonna mute. If someone hates on me, then maybe I'm just gonna block you and delete your comment if it shows up. Because, yeah, I don't like spam. I only let my subscribers that love me, well, like not creepy love me, but like me as a friend in real life. Not people that are gonna hate and say you're too young. Like, I mean, really, mind your own business. It's not even you. It's not your little sister or your little brother. It's not that. And you're saying you're a baby. You're 8. I'm not 8. And if you're gonna say that, then stop. And it's my family's rules. You gotta be 8 and up to have a YouTube channel. So yeah, and like you might say, isn't that a bit? And if a parent of mine replies, they'll be like, isn't that a bit young? But it's my rules, and you're disrespecting my family's rules, and it's kind of offensive and mean. So yeah, if you're gonna say that type of stuff, so yeah, and if you're gonna leave for comments like, I hate you, like, that's of course wrong, And if you're gonna say, I try to not make my videos boring, like that thumbnail video. People are probably gonna comment on that. That video's boring, which someone already did, but I'm not gonna say it because they're just gonna hate me more and stuff. So yeah, leave me alone. It's kind of disappointing because just coming home from school, I want to have a nice evening, and then I realized someone left a comment on me that's mean and offensive, and blah blah. So yeah, you need to stop, and if you don't stop, haters or something, then I'm just gonna have to quit YouTube forever. And my subscribers, I'm only gonna make my videos unlisted for my subscribers to watch and not you haters. So maybe I'm gonna make my videos unlisted, and then you can't dislike them, haters, or or me comments on it saying it's boring. So yeah, I just wanted to say that to you haters, and I might quit if you keep doing that to me because I'm really young still in life and I'm under 10, so please stop. It's hurting my feelings, and yeah, and it's just depressing. And if you're saying I'm too young and hating at the same time, the reason Google doesn't like kids to have YouTube channels is just to protect them from people like you. So you're not teaching them a lesson to tell them they're too young. You're teaching them, you're just hurting them and making them cry. Because when I get hate, I don't really cry a lot, but if it's bad hater that betrayed me, like say they were subscribed to me, and then they just start hating on me, I cry because it's just sad and stuff. So yeah, I guess. So that's what you should do next time. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna make my videos unlisted if they keep hating on me, because when I'm still young. So yeah, and if also another thing is, if the last thing I want to say is if you say that I'm a baby just because I don't use my phone a lot. I do use my phone. I do use my phone a lot. I take it in public sometimes if I want to use it, and not my big iPad. So yeah, and just because older people are they're older, it doesn't mean that they can't use their iPads if they have iPads or tablets. So yeah, that's just what kids have, and don't make them feel like babies just because you don't see them using their phone. They don't film. Okay. So yeah, you don't stalk them. So yeah, yeah, they do use their phones, and if you say something like that, that's offensive, because I just hate when people just bully people like that. It's not good, and I'll just, yeah, so, I'll see you guys later. Bye.